This video microtopic demonstrates a method for assembling and soldering a platinum cobalt pear-shaped setting into a die-struck 14-karat yellow gold mounting. Determine the alloy of the setting. A magnet test shows that this platinum is alloyed with cobalt. Platinum cobalt has a lower melting point than platinum ruthenium, and it oxidizes at soldering temperatures. File the ends of the mounting and the setting so that the setting fits snugly into the shank. Then pre-finish the pieces. Remove all tool marks and polish. Align the parts in assembly tweezers. Check the alignment from all directions. Preheat and apply fire scoff to the assembly. Heat the assembly and solder using 14-karat easy yellow gold solder. Use gold soldering techniques for melting and flowing the solder in each joint. Allow the ring to air cool and place it in hot water to remove the fire scoff. Remove excess solder from inside the ring. Blend the joints and pre-finish. For platinum, use progressive abrasive papers or rubberized wheels starting with 400, 600, 2/0, and 4/0 equivalent grits. Polish, buff, and clean. The assembly is now ready for setting.